the car, and no one, and my mom is in the library. Trisha won't go watch and tell me if none is coming, okay? So it's gonna be a quick April Fool's Day prank. It's it's harmless, but really frustrating. So I found this thing, a seatbelt cover. Here, this is what it looks like, the big end, the small end. You're gonna take the seatbelt.
Look at a lot.
As you can see, and then you just slide it in the big end first, and you have to prevent from it from falling off. Do that.
I see my own.
And now, when you try the seatbelt, it's frustrating because it won't go in because it's too thick. And that's what I'm gonna do. Here's what it looks like. And they don't even mind. So here, there's gonna be two parts. Part 1 and part 2. This is part 1, showing you how it works, and part 2 is the action. See, it's on. Oh snap! There, snap on and quick snap. There you go. And I did it on my mom's seat. So yeah. And happy April Fools! And I have this thing where you can do this, and then you'll see all the action thing, but you can't really see that much. You can see just a little, but not all the way, because there's some things. But that's the best I can do, because you see me videoing, so you know something's wrong. So, thank you guys for watching. Happy April Foolings, and
Bye.